Welcome to our gardening tutorial on how to grow bell peppers. Step 1. Choose a sunny location with well-draining soil. Bell peppers love warm weather, so wait until the soil has warmed up to at least 70°F to 1°C. Step 2. Start with healthy seedlings or direct sow seeds 1/4 inch deep and 2 to 3 inches apart. Water gently. Step 3. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Bell peppers need about 1 to 2 inches of water per week. Step 4. Fertilize with a balanced fertilizer once a month. Step 5. Support the plants as they grow by providing a trellis or stake. Step 6. Watch for pests like aphids and whiteflies, and diseases like powdery mildew. Step 7. Harvest your bell peppers when they're firm and glossy, usually 70 to 80 days after sowing. Tips and tricks. Use a black plastic mulch to warm the soil and extend the growing season. Plant bell peppers near basil, mint, and tomatoes for a flavorful and fragrant garden. Pinch off the first few flower buds to encourage bushy growth and more fruit. Harvest bell peppers regularly to encourage the plant to produce more. With these simple steps and tips, you'll be growing juicy, crunchy bell peppers in no time. Happy growing! Like, share, and subscribe to Vibrant Gardens.